If you've ever used Notion and thought, I love this, but I really wish my entire life wasn't stored on somebody else's server, then Anytype might be exactly what you've been looking for. It promises local-first storage, end-to-end encryption, offline access, and a Notion-style workspace where your data actually belongs to you. But the big question is Anytype truly the best secure, local-first Notion alternative, or is it just Notion with extra steps and a harder learning curve? I tested Anytype the way most people actually would: daily notes, project pages, databases, quick capture, tasks, linking ideas together, mobile use, desktop use, offline use, basically everything from brain dump at midnight to where did I save that important thing from last week. And within a few hours, one thing became very obvious. Anytype feels familiar, but very different underneath. The first thing you notice is speed. Because it's local first, everything feels immediate. Pages open instantly, navigation feels fast, search feels quick, no waiting for a cloud workspace to catch up with itself. It has that rare feeling where the app seems ready before you are. One Reddit user described it as staying with Anytype mainly because of its quickness, because of local first approach, and honestly, that feels accurate. Then there's the privacy side, and this is where Anytype becomes genuinely interesting. Your notes live on your device first, not on someone else's cloud. Sync is encrypted peer-to-peer. You control the keys. Even the company itself can't read your content. For anyone storing journals, personal research, client notes, passwords, or sensitive information, that's a massive deal. It's less productivity app and more private digital vaults that also happens to be beautiful. But let's talk about the part that frustrates people. The learning curve is real, very real. If Notion feels like opening a notebook, Anytype feels like someone handed you a notebook, a filing cabinet, a database, a graph map, and quietly walked away. The object-based system is incredibly powerful once it clicks, but until it clicks, there's definitely a moment where you stare at the screen wondering whether you're building notes or accidentally launching a startup. Community feedback reflects that too. Users love the flexibility, but many say onboarding can feel steep at first. Compared to Notion, the biggest difference is philosophy. Notion feels like a cloud workspace built for collaboration first. Anytype feels like a personal knowledge system built around ownership first. Notion wins on polish, templates, integrations, and team workflows. Anytype wins on privacy, offline access, local speed, and control over your data. They overlap visually, but they're solving slightly different problems. So is Anytype the best secure, local-first Notion alternative? If what you care about most is privacy, offline access, encryption, and owning your data, then yes, Anytype makes one of the strongest cases available right now. It's probably the closest thing to private Notion that actually feels usable day to day. But if you want the easiest setup, instant collaboration, or something polished enough to hand to a team with zero explanation, Notion is still easier. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.